How to change language in Aviator. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this three-line menu icon. Simply tap on this menu icon. Now slowly scroll down. So this is the section where you'll be able to find different options and even select different games. Here on the right bottom, you can see this language like icon. Simply tap on this language like icon. Now this is the place where you can select and customize the language. So here you'll be able to find some limited language. Now simply tap on the one that you want to switch into. So here I have tapped on one. Now it will take some time and it will even completely reload the interface. Now as you can see, the whole interface is changed and the language is changed too. Now you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.